In this devlog, I add a cinematic, animate the player, and touch up some more sprites. Let's check it out. Hey guys, my name is Garrett and welcome to episode 18 of Attila's Track. For those of you that are new, welcome. This is my devlog series documenting the progress of my next video game. Currently, I'm making a space breeding game using the Unity game engine. Stick around if you want to see some game development, singing, and maybe a bit of this guy. Now, let's have some fun. On Monday, I finished touching up the sprites for the icons of the bred animals. It was really tedious, to be honest. I didn't really enjoy doing it, and it's kind of just going to show me for next time that I'll be more cautious the first time around and do it right the first time rather than having to go back and just do all this kind of menial work. On Tuesday, I started doing some stuff with the end screen and sort of an ending cinematic. At this point, I kind of just had it like floating in the game world because actually this past week, I did the Cyberpunk 2019 jam and learned how to do that, but that's not what I wanted for this game. I wanted to make it a UI element, and I was still trying to figure out how to do that. On Wednesday, I pretty much got the cinematic working, so now it would display once you unlocked all the animals. It was still a tiny bit buggy, but it was working pretty well. I did some stuff with render textures, which is new to me, but it is really interesting and I feel like it's gonna be pretty useful in the future. And also on a side note, it kept displaying because I manually put it in code to end the game, and I had some trouble finding where I put that code, so yeah, I'm gonna have to find out where that is. On Thursday, I started doing some animations with the player, so I just added a basic walking animation and got the basic functionality for that into Unity. Animating and rigging is something I've kind of been scared of in the past because I just really had no idea how to do it. But after following these two really good tutorials, I got it working pretty well and I'm feeling a lot more comfortable with it. And on Friday, I also added a standing animation, and I added the functionality to alternate between the player walking and standing. It isn't seamless, it kind of like jitters whenever you stop walking or start walking, but it is there and it's better than just that static character. So I'm glad I got that. I also worked a bit more with the cinematics, making that a little less buggy, and now I think it works pretty great. Thank you as always for the comments from Antique Gear Games, Zero Tris, Coding Master, DeCrispy, Gallo Frango, Artifact Studios, Michael Taylor, Welton King, Indie Progress, Anders Lundbjörk, the Swede, the Broman 90, Happy Buses 102, From Alligator, and Jojo Yu. Thank you guys so much for watching episode 18 of Attila's Track. If you like the video, be sure to like it and also subscribe if you're not already. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in the next video.